Welcome back to the Woodwind Zone. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make a correct embouchure for the saxophone. I'll be using an alto, but as usual, the video will apply to both alto and tenor saxophones. Before learning how to make a sound from the saxophone, make sure to watch my previous video on how to assemble your saxophone. That way you don't make any mistakes or end up damaging one of the components. I also go over the name of each part of the saxophone, which will be helpful during this video. Now that you've watched my video on how to assemble a saxophone, let's get into the technicalities of how a mouthpiece works. The saxophone is in the woodwind family of instruments, which also includes flutes, clarinets, bassoons, and oboes. In the woodwind family, there are single reed instruments and double reed instruments. The saxophone, similar to clarinet, is a single reed instrument. It has a single reed, as implied by the name, which attaches to a mouthpiece. When playing the saxophone, you want to have your front teeth on top of the mouthpiece and your bottom lip wrapping around your teeth underneath the reed. So it'll be something like this. Here's what the mouthpiece should look like while it's in your mouth. The easiest note to be your first note to play on the saxophone is definitely the low G. On all saxophones, their low G would be 1, 2, 3. To play a note, you hold the fingering, do the embouchure with your top teeth at the top of the mouthpiece and your curled lip at the bottom, and you blow. That's pretty much it. Now, you will notice, if this is your first time playing the saxophone, that it's a lot of air and it's a lot of pressure. Over time, you'll develop a stronger embouchure as the muscles in your face will physically get stronger. It's just like working out or going to the gym. Thanks for watching. You now know how to make a correct embouchure for the saxophone. If you don't sound good at first, don't worry. As long as you practice consistently, you will improve over time. Check out the rest of my channel for more information on woodwind instruments.